Hi everyone, in this lecture we are going to be learning about copy pasting, cutting and pasting, undoing and redoing. This might seem like a fairly basic thing that you already know how to do, but there's some few useful tricks to know. So first of all, let's start off maybe with cutting and pasting. You can either right click and cut, that's the one option, or you can click the cut button over here, or you can control X on your keyboard and that'll cut. And then wherever you want to paste, you can either right click on this little plus sign and then paste it in, or you can select the activity above where you want to paste it. So let's say I want to paste it between these two. I can click this activity and then control V on my keyboard, and that'll then paste that activity just below it. So copy pasting works the same. So if I want to copy this activity and I want to paste it below here, I can right click copy and then right click paste, or I can right click copy or even control C on my keyboard, click this activity and control V to paste, and then it pastes it just below that. And then in terms of undoing and redoing, you can either just click these buttons here to go back and forward, or you can use Control Z on your keyboard to undo and Control Y to redo. So that's super useful, especially when you realize you made a mistake and you want to go back a few steps. You can undo as many times as you like. So that is all for this section here. In the next lecture, we are going to be learning about the package manager and how to install packages. So we'll get to that in the next lecture.